While I was listening to Governor Bambi Emano, I was really touched with his commitment in order to protect nature. I'm really impressed. And because of that, I would be the more dedicated and committed to help in any way that we could do under the Department of Agrarian Reform. A round of applause for Governor Bambi Emano. Now, if your worries would be that it would destroy or spoil the beauty of this area of convergence, I commit that we will work hand in hand with the local government and all the other agencies to protect this area. We will not allow any illegal structures to be built here that would spoil or destroy the beauty of this area. We will protect it with all our heart, with all our soul and mind, because we know that we have a commitment in order to deliver here for the people of Misamis Oriental. Thank you so much to Misamis Oriental, because you are a reflection of God's power because of your interest to protect nature.
With the natural resource that we have, we're like a poor man but sitting on a mountain of gold. I hope that with the convergence that we're doing, the synergy that we're doing, we will be able to advance what our people needs, and more, we will be able to protect the future of the future generation as we protect the last frontier, Mount Balatucan.